Welcome to High Voltage. Happy Friday. This week we have a guest spot from Runston Racing with an awesome lightning rods powered enduro bike. This runs between 6 to 8 kilowatts, fat tyres, 72 volts, lots to like with this. There is just a ton of awesome stuff that Marcus did with this bike. The mounts for the lightning rods XL motor were custom fabricated using a machine that Marcus built himself to plasma cut them out of steel. They do the job of mounting the motor as well as the lower shock mount for the rear suspension. The seat assembly is also custom made, including the seat panels, which are all 3D printed. It's a single stage reduction 72 volt drivetrain and it has some serious power. Marcus spent a long time trying to do this kind of thing with the Seaway CX1 motors, but after burning through multiple rotors, decided it was time to go big or go home. Not content with just one machine, he built two so he can go riding with his eldest son. Anyway, enjoy the footage. Being able to ride like this in the snow is easily one of the most fun things you can do on an e-bike. Cheers.
Gick det bra? Där eller? Upp där! Wow! Ja, men det är en stor grop här. Jag tror försök stanna där uppe för annars står man på näsan här. Grop. Rakt fram. Oh, oh, oh. tad too soft today.